Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Vernice. Today I'm going to show you a double-story house in Laman Putra, Putra Height. This house is freehold, 24 by 75, 4 rooms, 3 bath, gather guarded. It also comes with an air well, so it making the whole house looks very bright and very windy. This living area is overlooking the airwell area. Second living, you can use it as your dining, so you can have a small pond or garden outside. Storeroom underneath the staircase. Kitchen area, you have wet and dry kitchen area, or you can choose to extend it. It has a quite spacious yard for you to extend. This unit is basic unit. Common toilet, 1 bedroom downstairs. Proceed to first floor. We have master bedroom with 1 balcony. You can extend the balcony to become your walk-in wardrobe. Here's the living area, family hall at first floor. You can also cover up the airway area for extra build-up. Third bedroom and fourth bedroom. The common toilet is outside. This unit is well maintained and tenant just moved up. Price is still negotiable. Call me for viewing or listing 016-989-3389. See you in next video. Bye!